I don't know if you can tell, I used WD-40 on there to hold that flux on while it's in the, while it's getting ready to go in the forge. I got her too hot. The WD-40 did nothing but smoke. But that's a thing you can do. We'll get this heated up and I'll bring you back. She is white hot. Let's hit it. So I kind of forgot I had my directional microphone on. I was trying to tell you we're going to reheat that, bring her back up, make sure those forge welds are set, and then we'll continue on. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed the smoke show. It was smoky. Well, I do believe we got a forge weld. Now we'll start working that into a point. Hopefully I've welded enough on there in the right spot. I don't know. But we'll definitely find out. So you'll notice I'm working that at a pretty high temperature. When you're working with something that's been forge welded, you work it too low, there's a chance that you're going to delaminate your welds, maybe have a weld failure. Yeah, it's takes a little more time, takes a little time to get it that hot, but it's what you got to do. Believe me, that turkey is hot. So you might notice I'm using the pointy end of the hammer, the peen, the cross peen, and then the flat spot. That's called drawing out. You make some big dents, you mash them flat, and it should draw it in the, say, 90-degree axis of the dent that you put in there. So that is what's going on right there. All right, it's getting late, time to go in. We got quite a bit done right there. I just can't figure out how to get that contour in there and draw that point out some more. We got a little more width on her this time. I don't think we're gonna get quite to where that brand new, or that, well, it's not brand new, it's older than the hills, but that original one is. I like the way the other one turned out. I've got it hooked to the handle and it works. This blacksmithing thing, whew. I've been hours without taping anything, guys. Takes a long time, especially when you don't know what you're doing. So without burning myself, we're getting fairly close. I can't get her to focus, but you get the point. So we'll call this a video. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. A little tired. A lot of heat and a lot of beating. Seems like it goes back and forth, and you get where you want to go, and then you kind of take it back away from yourself. But hey, we're getting there. We're gonna probably grind and bend. The next video we'll finish this turkey and call it a Cant hook, I hope. So work hard, be safe, above all be kind. Now go out and get you some.